apps affairs show you.
Based VPN app for your iPhone to unlock any locked website or any locked app. I will show you the best VPN app for your iPhone. Go to your App Store and here search for Super VPN, and this is the actual VPN we are going to use, and it's a free VPN. All you have to need is just install this VPN app on your iPhone. Once it's installed, let's launch the app. And now we are going to use the free version of this app, right? So here you have to select proceed with ads. And now tap on this location drop down. And here make sure to select free option. And here you will get bunch of free VPN locations. You can connect any server. Let's connect to this server. So just tap on this check mark button. And here we can see I've successfully connected to the server and my VPN is activated. Now you can go through the website or app to unlock them. And another easy method to connect this VPN is go to your iPhone settings, and here you will get VPN option. Just enable this VPN option and your iPhone will be connected to a VPN without opening the VPN app. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.